Dear friends, wishing you a peaceful new day filled with good health and a calm spirit, ready to welcome more helpful things into your life. I'm truly happy to be here again, walking alongside you on this journey to better health and peaceful living. Today, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever heard someone say that just by regularly eating a few familiar traditional foods, your liver can cleanse itself and your blood fat levels can drop, without the need for medication? It might sound hard to believe, but it's actually backed by science. You don't need to rely on Western medicine or spend money on expensive detox kits. Just by using 5 simple, natural foods that are already around us, we can support liver detoxification, improve blood circulation, regulate blood fat, and boost our overall health day by day. But here's the important part. Eating right isn't enough. We also have to avoid eating the wrong way. Some foods that seem harmless may actually overwork your liver and quietly raise your blood fat levels without you realizing it. So in today's video, I'll clearly walk you through which traditional foods are good for the liver and blood, how to use them safely and effectively, and most importantly, which foods to avoid so your health efforts aren't wasted. Be sure to watch all the way to the end, because number 5 is what I call the silent hero. Praised by experts, but still unfamiliar to many. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to live well every day so you never miss a new video. And if you like the content, leave a comment with number 1 below. If you think it could be better, leave a 0. I always appreciate honest feedback to improve. Before we get into the main content, let's take a moment to understand the silent damage caused by poor liver function and high blood fat. Your liver acts like the body's natural filter. Every day, it processes toxins from food, pollution, medications, and alcohol. But if it gets overloaded, its detox function drops, and the body starts showing warning signs. You may notice chronic fatigue, persistent acne, insomnia, poor appetite, sluggishness, and dark-colored urine, even if you haven't eaten anything unusual. On top of that, many people are living with high blood fat without knowing it. Elevated blood fat thickens the blood, slows circulation, and gradually leads to plaque buildup in arteries, increasing the risk of atherosclerosis, high blood pressure, and even stroke, especially after age 40. What's alarming is that liver toxicity and high blood fat often develop silently until serious damage has already occurred. That's why adjusting your lifestyle early with natural, safe foods is the best way to protect your health. It's effective, sustainable, and affordable. In the next part, I'll break down 5 easy-to-find traditional foods that can help detox the liver and lower blood fat, so you can start applying them in your daily life right away. So which traditional foods can actually support better liver function and naturally reduce blood fat? Let's dive into the heart of today's video. 5 familiar, easy-to-use ingredients that are as effective as any liver or cholesterol medication, if used correctly and consistently. 1. Mung beans. Naturally cools the liver and quietly lowers blood fat. If I had to name one affordable and easy-to-find bean that helps detox the liver naturally, it would be mung beans. According to Eastern medicine, mung beans are sweet, cool, and enter the heart and stomach meridians. They cool the body from within and purify the blood. They help soothe heat buildup, especially when the liver is overworked from greasy foods or prolonged stress. Modern studies show that mung beans are rich in soluble fiber, especially pectin, which reduces absorption of bad cholesterol in the gut. They also contain flavonoids and polyphenols, antioxidants that protect liver cells and help prevent fatty liver and early-stage cirrhosis. Another benefit is their natural diuretic effect, helping the body release toxins through urine, reducing the liver's workload. How to use? The simplest way is to make a light mung bean soup or porridge, best consumed in the morning or mid-afternoon. Limit sugar. If needed, use rock sugar or a sugar substitute. Eat it 3 to 4 times per week for optimal liver cleansing results. Those with cold body types or frequent diarrhea should consume smaller amounts and add a few slices of ginger to balance its cooling nature. Mung beans are affordable, easy to store, quick to cook, and great for all ages. Truly a natural liver tonic when used properly. 2. Artichoke. Lightens the liver's burden, strengthens the whole body. If mung beans are the traditional liver cooler, then artichoke is the natural liver booster recognized by both Eastern and Western medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine, artichoke is slightly bitter and cool, entering the liver and spleen meridians. It clears heat, detoxifies, and supports bile flow. It's ideal for people who eat irregularly, consume lots of fried foods, or drink alcohol frequently, all of which strain the liver. Modern research confirms that artichoke contains cynarin and silymarin, two key compounds that increase bile production, protect liver cells, and help remove long-accumulated toxins. They also lower liver enzymes and cholesterol, helping prevent fatty liver and liver inflammation due to alcohol or medications. A key benefit is that artichoke also cools the skin and reduces acne caused by liver heat, especially in hot weather or after heavy meals. How to use. The most popular method is to brew dried artichoke flowers into a tea. Boil 10 to 15 grams with 1 liter of water for 15 to 20 minutes, let it cool, and drink throughout the day. If you're busy, you can use artichoke tea bags, but choose trusted brands without additives or artificial sweeteners. Note: since artichoke is cooling, people with weak digestion should use it only 2 to 3 times a week and avoid overuse. You can also enhance its flavor and effect by adding licorice root slices or a pinch of pink salt while brewing. 3. Bitter melon, a quiet friend that helps reduce blood fat and balance blood sugar. Dear friends, you might have heard the saying, bitter medicine cures illness. Bitter melon is a perfect example. Though its taste can be tough for some, it's a valuable traditional food that helps lower blood sugar, reduce blood fat, cool the liver, and prevent many chronic conditions. In traditional medicine, bitter melon is cool and bitter in nature. It helps clear heat, detoxify, and eliminate dampness. It's especially suitable for those who have internal heat, weak liver function, high blood fat, or early signs of diabetes. Modern research shows that bitter melon contains carotene and polypeptide P, natural compounds proven to lower blood sugar and reduce cholesterol. It also contains powerful antioxidants like vitamin C, flavonoids, and alkaloids, which protect liver cells and slow vascular aging. Bitter melon works by reducing glucose and fat absorption in the intestines and promoting better energy metabolism. Used regularly, it can result in clearer skin, a lighter stomach, and reduced fatigue after heavy meals. How to use. Bitter melon can be stir-fried with eggs, stuffed into soups, or dried and brewed as tea. To reduce the bitterness, soak it in salt water for about 15 minutes before cooking. Use 2 to 3 meals a week or drink 1-2 cups of bitter melon tea daily. However, people with low blood pressure, pregnant women, or children under 5 should consult a doctor before regular use. Though humble, bitter melon offers impressive benefits for liver health, blood fat, and sugar levels. Just be consistent. Its effects will come gradually but steadily. Have you tried bitter melon before? Let me know your favorite way to use it in the comments below. 4. Lotus leaf, a traditional tea that melts fat, cools the liver, and refreshes the body. When we think of lotus, we often picture its beautiful flowers and delicious seeds. But few realize that lotus leaves are packed with medicinal value, especially helpful for the liver, blood fat, and body weight. In traditional medicine, lotus leaf is slightly bitter and cool. It helps clear heat, improve blood flow, and reduce dampness. It's famous for its natural fat-burning properties and is commonly used to treat high blood fat, fatty liver, and unstable blood pressure. Modern research has identified nuciferin in lotus leaf, a compound that helps break down fat in the blood, reduce absorption of bad fats, and lower triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. It also contains flavonoids and tannins, which protect the liver, reduce stress, and improve sleep when used in proper doses. How to use. Dry the leaves and brew 5 to 7 grams in hot water for about 10 minutes each morning. The taste is mild bitter, but becomes pleasant over time. It helps reduce cravings and improves digestion and skin health. You can blend lotus leaf with jasmine flowers or stevia to improve flavor, especially if you're new to it. Important note, lotus leaf is very cooling and effective, so don't overuse. 1 to 2 cups a day are enough. People with low blood pressure, pregnant women, or breastfeeding mothers should be cautious and consult a healthcare provider before long-term use. 5. Turmeric, the golden remedy to heal the liver, reduce inflammation, and prevent liver cancer. Turmeric has long been considered liquid gold in natural medicine. Common in the kitchen, it also supports liver recovery, heals tissue damage, and helps prevent serious diseases like cirrhosis, hepatitis, and even liver cancer. In Eastern medicine, turmeric is spicy, slightly bitter, and warm. It moves qi, energy, breaks stagnation, reduces inflammation, and detoxifies. It has long been used to treat liver and digestive issues and improve blood circulation. Modern science has confirmed that curcumin, turmeric's active compound, is a powerful anti-inflammatory that protects liver cells from alcohol, medications, and food toxins. It can inhibit the growth of abnormal liver cells and reduce the risk of cancer early on. Turmeric also increases bile production, improves digestion, and eases bloating. Great for those with weak liver function or frequent fatigue after meals. How to use: crush fresh turmeric and mix 1 teaspoon with 1 teaspoon of pure honey in warm water. Drink in the morning or 30 minutes before meals. This helps reduce liver inflammation, heal the stomach lining, and boost overall immunity. Alternatively, use fresh or powdered turmeric in daily cooking, soups, stir-fries, stews, for vibrant color and extra nutrition. Caution: turmeric is warming, so use it in moderation. People with gallstones, pregnant women, or those taking blood thinners should consult their doctor first. Turmeric is a gift from nature. Used consistently and correctly, it can deeply restore liver health and gradually make your whole body feel stronger and lighter. Do you use turmeric daily? Comment 1 if yes, or 0 if this is your first time learning about its amazing benefits. Dear friends, although all 5 traditional foods are great for liver and blood fat, the most important thing is to use them properly, in the right amounts, and without overdoing it. For example, too much turmeric can cause heat, bloating, and digestion issues. Lotus leaf overused may cause dizziness in people with low blood pressure. Bitter melon in excess can be unsafe for pregnant women or people with low blood pressure. Balance is key. Rotate these foods weekly, eat a healthy diet, and move your body gently every day. That's how you build lasting, natural health. If you have chronic illness, take medications, or have a sensitive body, always consult your doctor before making these foods a regular part of your diet. Also, aside from adding good foods, it's just as crucial to avoid harmful ones that silently damage your liver and heart. Your liver works hard to detox your body, but if you keep feeding it toxins, even the best foods can't help it recover. Here are 4 food groups to avoid. Deep-fried, oily foods, especially those fried repeatedly, like French fries, fried chicken, or egg rolls. Reused oil forms trans fats that inflame liver cells and increase bad cholesterol. Processed foods, sausages, canned meat, instant noodles. These are high in salt, preservatives, and colorings that burden your liver. Alcohol and sugary sodas. Alcohol is the liver's biggest enemy, causing inflammation and cirrhosis over time. Sugary drinks spike blood sugar and increase visceral fat and triglycerides. Late-night heavy meals, especially red meat, instant noodles, or spicy foods. The liver needs to rest at night, not digest greasy meals. To get the most from turmeric, artichoke, and bitter melon, cut back on harmful foods, eat clean, sleep well, and move your body. This simple, consistent combination is the real key to a healthier liver, stable blood fat, and a lighter, happier life. You see? No need for expensive detox kits. Just eat these 5 traditional foods regularly, and your body will naturally cleanse itself. Your liver will get stronger, and your blood fat will improve, quietly but powerfully. Which of these foods do you use? Type 1 if you've tried them, or 0 if this is your first time learning about them. In the next video, I'll show you 3 powerful drinks to enjoy in the morning to help detox your liver and kidneys, improve sleep, and boost your energy. See you soon!